Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg salad sandwich updated. Start by boiling 6 eggs until firm, then cool and peel. Chop eggs coarsely and combine with 2 tablespoons mayo, 1 tsp mustard, 1/4 tsp salt, and a pinch of pepper. Mix gently for a creamy texture, but leave some chunks for bite. Toast bread or use fresh rolls, assemble with greens, and serve immediately for best flavor and texture. For better flavor, try adding crunch and brightness with simple swaps. Finely chopped celery or scallion adds texture, while fresh dill or chives brighten the mix. Use Dijon mustard for a tangy kick without overpowering the eggs, and consider a splash of pickle juice instead of vinegar for gentle acidity. Taste and adjust salt and pepper last, and refrigerate any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3. Serving your egg salad can change the whole meal experience with a few swaps. For a classic bite, use toasted bread or soft rolls, or go low-carb with crisp lettuce wraps. Add sliced tomato or pickles for acidity and contrast, and top with extra herbs if desired. Pair the sandwich with crunchy chips or a simple green salad and a squeeze of lemon for a bright finish that complements the creamy egg filling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.